I'm working as an open source development kit for past 5 months. Now I'm going to talk about custom item renderer, which is the important control in Flex. It is always used to display catalog items, and once the user moves the mouse over on item, the item renderer changes to a state. And this picture is slightly enlarged, the price appears in the cell. And it has certain changes made for the item renderer state. It always includes the change in parent application. Based on this concept, I am using Flex Builder. Here I am using component and the main file. And for in the component I am adding VBox, which has the horizontal aligned center, and it has the vertical alignment as well. For the mouse over current state description, which is in the main file, we are going to see that. And for the state also I am using here. And for the image, that shows as data.image, and it has to come from the main file. So I am giving like that. And for the states I am giving name as description, and for the add child and within the text I am giving data.price. And for the set property I am giving the target image one, which is the image ID we are going to see in the main file. And for the set property target, that parent application, this is the parent application dot text area 1, which is the text area ID, and it has the text and value as data.description. And for the main file, which is I am using here to get from the component, where I am using script which has the controls or list classes, and I am using again controls for image, and for the collections as array collection. And I am using a variable which has the flowers array with certain flowers I am giving with the data price, and as the image which is the source to get, and I am adding some description as well. And using that I am closing the script, and here I am using a tile list which has the ID tile list 1. For the data provider I am using here flowers array function, and for that I am using item renderer. This is the important topic we are talking about. This is the image component. This component file is getting here. And for the hbox I am giving label which has the text description, and we already saw about the text area ID, which is the text area 1. And now we are going to see the output, where this is the tile list. You can see this description here, and this the state is changing. So in this sense, that custom item renderer is used in very effective manner. Thank you friends. If you have any queries, please contact my blog emukumars.wordpress.com. Otherwise you can mail to me, mail id s.emukumar@gmail.com. Thank you.